Hi guys, welcome back to Madihazcooking. So today we're going to be making mango delight. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with making my puree. Here I have mangoes. I'm just gonna pour that into my, and here I have sugar. You can put as much sugar as you like. So I'm adding a little more. By the way, I used 1/4 cup sugar. Here I have a little bit of water, just a little bit. I have 3 teaspoons of water to make our puree. Okay, so I tasted this puree and it's a little, it's not that sweet, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so our puree is now done and this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna make my whipping cream. Okay, so we're gonna make the whipping cream now, and here I have 1 cup of heavy cream, our whipping cream. And here I have about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. You can use less or more depending on how sweet you want your whipping cream. So now I'm going to mix this with my blender. And you can see I have a stiff peak. And so now I'm going to add the puree into my whipping cream. So now we're going to go on to our 3rd step, which is adding our puree from earlier into our whipping cream. So here I just have a little measuring cup. And gradually, I'm going to add my puree because I don't want to add all of it at once. So I'm going to mix this and then add a little if I need more. So it looks like I need more puree. Okay, as a final step, I'm going to add fruit cocktail that I strained. I'm just going to mix it in. Okay, so here's the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.